I'm here to talk to you about a simple to understand business plan. Through this plan, I will show you how to make money on everyday expenses, turning your spending into profit. Now, before I jump into how money is made, I'd like to first talk about two different groups of people. The first group, Group A, works an average of 8 to 10 hours per day. They're on what I'd like to call the 40-year plan. People on the 40-year plan exchange hours in their day for money. As they earn money, they slowly set aside little by little until they have enough where they don't have to work anymore and retire. The problem with this approach is that there is only so much money to be made as there are only 24 hours in a day. Now, according to the U.S. Census, 2 to 4% of Americans make at least $100,000 per year. I'm going to call this group of people Group B. Which group of people would you rather be in? Most people will say Group B. Let's pretend that the $100,000 per year goal is this hill. Most people try to reach the top of the hill through a mechanism similar to this bicycle. It takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, and a lot of time. Now, you can train all you want, but if I were to hop on a motorcycle, I bet I could beat anyone on a bike to the top of the hill. I'm here today to show you and teach you about a mechanism that will help you reach your goal faster, and that mechanism is Amway. Amway is a global company in over 100 countries and territories. They brought in $10.8 billion in revenue in 2014 and sell more than 450 products that fall into the categories of beauty, nutrition, bath and body, and for the home. They also back up all of their products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can return it as long as it's within 180 days of purchase. That's roughly 6 months. Amway has also given out more than $40 billion in bonuses and incentives, which is more than any other direct sales company. They are family-owned and financially stable since starting in 1959, and have been given an A+ rating by the Better Business Bureau, so Amway is a very credible and reliable business. On top of selling premium products, Amway has partnered with currently 61 major businesses and stores. These include Best Buy, Home Depot, Office Depot, Sprint, AT&T, Macy's, Old Navy, Sears, Vistaprint, Northern Tool and Equipment, Apple, and 50 other businesses. Now, if Amway was a scam or a bad business to join, do you think that all of these companies would partner with them? Further, if it was a scam or a bad business, how did Amway increase its revenue by 75% during the recession, while other companies like GM and Circuit City went bankrupt? This happened because Amway has a reliable system for its independent business owners to succeed, and because Amway is a network company in a digital age. To open your own Amway store, the initial investment is $164. This will get you registered, give you product, pamphlets, and catalogs, and you'll receive your store license number. Amway will fully refund your registration cost up to 3 months after you register, so you can have peace of mind as there's virtually no risk in starting. Compare this to starting your own business. You are saving in cost. You'd have to hire an accountant, pay for your business name, equipment, web page, and a bunch of other expenses just to get started. You're looking at an initial investment of $5,000 to $10,000, of which you're not guaranteed to get back any of it. As an Amway independent business owner, money is made by moving product on your number. This is done through 3 key factors. First, personal consumption. When you go out to the store and buy your shampoos, soaps, dish detergent, snacks, and other items that you daily consume, the store keeps some of the money. By buying product from your Amway store, not only are you getting the product at distribution cost, but you also get paid for the product that you are personally buying. Do you think it's smarter to get paid for what you're consuming? Think about it. Do you get paid when you go out to the store and buy items? Further, Amway has partnered with 61 other stores. So if you're a realtor and regularly buy ink, paper, office supplies, and other things for your business, you can get all of those items from Office Depot and make money off of your own spending. Same if you're a roofer, electrician, or plumber and buy from Home Depot. The second way is by finding customers and selling product through your online store. For example, say an item sells at retail for $80, but you can get it for $50 because it's your own store. If someone buys that item from your store, you'll make $30 in retail. So by having family and friends do their shopping through your store, you are making money by gaining retail profit. Lastly, and most importantly, by building a network, you will make the most money. The more volume that goes through your store number, the more money you are going to get. The best way to increase your volume is through networking. Facebook, for example, is a social network. It started out of Harvard with 2 people and today has over 1 billion members. It was able to do this by being passed along through people. Starbucks sells an average roughly of 10,580,000 cups of coffee per day. They're able to do this by having an established network. Another example is McDonald's. If you could go out to your favorite restaurant or McDonald's, I'm guessing you'd pick your favorite restaurant. Yet McDonald's sells 73 hamburgers a second. By the time that you got to your favorite restaurant, McDonald's will have already raked in on profits from the sale of thousands of hamburgers. This is because they have established a network around the world. Now, neither Starbucks or McDonald's can compete with a network of homes, houses, people, and this is what Amway seeks to accomplish. By buying your consumables through your own store, you are generating revenue by moving product through your license number. Now let's say you spend $300 of your own money through your store, and you register your friend Susan. Susan also buys $300 of product and registers one of her friends that does the same. What is going to happen to your number? All of the volume is going to get passed to your volume. So you are going to want Susan to succeed because it means that you will succeed. It's a win-win. In a normal job, the person that you train can take your place if they start performing better than you. Not with Amway. You want those you register to do well as everything is connected. Further, you don't have to do anything different than change how you buy the items that you are already buying. By spending 1 hour a week towards this job, you can bring in a significant side income. Let's look at a year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's say you register one person a month for each month. The people that you register also each register one person each month, and everyone who registers simply spends $300 a month through their own Amway store. In January, you have 2 people, yourself and Susan. In February, you register a second person, and Susan registers a friend. There are now 4 stores linked to your Amway store, your number. In March, you register a third person. Your second person registers their first person. Susan registers her second person, and her friend registers their first person. You now have 8 stores, 8 homes, all pushing product through your number. In April, you'll be at 16 homes. In May, you'll be at 32 homes. In June, you'll be at 64 homes. Now let's stop here so you can understand what's going on and look at the power of the network. How many people have you personally brought? At this point, you have only registered 6 people, not 64. This is the network at work. It's not just you looking for people, it's your whole network looking for people, one by one, which means each person is just getting one person at a time. Now, some people might bring 5 or 10 people in a month because they move faster. They have a different urgency. We all have different urgencies and itineraries in life. You just have to find yours and help others find theirs. In July, those 64 homes will grow to 128. In August, 256. In September, 512. In October, 1,024. In November, 2,048. And in December, 4,096 homes will be connected to your store number, and others will be growing their store numbers as well. Susan, for example, will have 2,048 homes connected to her own store. The key to make money is everyone adding one person per month and spending or selling product through their store. If that doesn't happen, none of this works. But if all 4,096 homes spend $300 a month, that's $1,228,800 a month in product, all connected to your number, and the more money that is pushed through your license number, the more money you will make. Of the $1,228,800, 25% will stay in your network and get redistributed. That's $307,200, of which you'll keep between $13,000 and $19,000. Do you think you can make that much per month doing what you are currently doing? Do you think you could get paid $13,000 to $19,000 in 1 month with your current job? Again, this is done simply by spending $300 a month and registering one person and teaching them to do the same. Imagine what this could be in 5 years, 10 years, 12 years from now. Even at one person a year, for me, it's better for me to commit to doing this over the next 12 years than what I'm doing now. This business is as simple as buying, connecting, and training. It's all about multiplication and everyone committed to buying and selling $300 of product to their own store per month. Is there a sacrifice to start? Sure there is, just like everything in life. But the sacrifice is temporary, as you will get it back and so much more. Did you know you are already doing the business? You are already consuming. You are already doing this business. So why not get paid for it? So why not become an independent business owner through Amway? All you're doing now is exchanging time for money. Why not put in some time and get time and money back? This is what Amway offers. Just imagine what you could do with extra money and time in your life. What would an extra $300 a month do? What about an extra $1,000 a month? An extra $10,000 a month? The beauty is that there is no limit to the amount you can earn, and it's all up to you and the amount of effort that you put into it. If you want change in your life, then do something